Crypto copy trading. A shortcut to wealth or a risky gamble? Crypto copy trading. The fastest path to financial freedom or a dangerous gamble? Hey there, my name's Ryan and I've been knee-deep in the world of cryptocurrency and crypto trading for the past 5 years. Let me tell you, it's been one heck of a wild ride. From the crazy highs of making bank to the gut-wrenching lows of getting absolutely wrecked, I've seen it all. And today, I'm here to spill the tea on a topic that's been lighting up the crypto space, crypto copy trading. Now, before we dive in, let me just say that I'm not some random dude off the street. I've put in the time and effort to really understand the ins and outs of this game. I've got the battle scars to prove it, let me tell you. So when I say that copy trading is a game changer, you better believe I know what I'm talking about. Alright, so what the heck is copy trading, you ask? In a nutshell, it's a way for you to automatically mirror the trades of experienced, successful traders. Sounds pretty sweet, right? You just sit back, let the pros do their thing, and watch the profits roll in. It's kind of like having a personal finance guru in your pocket, but without the hefty price tag. But hold up, before you get too excited, let me break down the good, the bad, and the ugly of copy trading. Because let me tell you, it's not all rainbows and unicorns, my friend. The good. Imagine being able to tap into the expertise of some of the sharpest minds in the crypto game without having to put in the countless hours of research and analysis yourself. That's the beauty of copy trading. You can literally leverage the skills and strategies of top-performing traders and potentially make a killing in the process. And the best part, you don't even need to be a crypto whiz yourself. As long as you can navigate the user-friendly copy trading platforms, you're good to go. But that's not all, folks. Copy trading can also be a fantastic way to diversify your portfolio and spread out your risk. By copying multiple traders, you're essentially creating a personalized hedge fund without having to shell out the big bucks. And let's not forget the potential for passive income. I mean, who doesn't love the idea of making money while you sleep, am I right? The bad. Alright, now let's talk about the not-so-shiny side of copy trading. Because, let's be real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. One of the biggest drawbacks is the potential for losses. Just because a trader is crushing it in the market doesn't necessarily mean their strategy will work for you. There are a lot of factors at play, and what works for one person might not work for another. And then there's the issue of trust. When you're handing over your hard-earned cash to some random trader on the internet, you're taking a big ol' leap of faith. How do you know they're not just a scammer looking to make a quick buck off your naivety? It's a valid concern, my friends, and one you need to keep in mind. The ugly. But wait, there's more. Copy trading can also lead to some serious FOMO, that's fear of missing out, for all you crypto newbies out there. Imagine seeing one of your copied traders absolutely killing it while you're just sitting on the sidelines watching your portfolio stagnate. That, my friends, is a recipe for some serious stress and anxiety. And let's not forget the potential for emotional decision-making. When you're copy trading, it's easy to get caught up in the hype and start making rash, impulsive choices. Before you know it, you could find yourself in a world of trouble with your hard-earned cash going down the drain. So, is copy trading for you? Alright, now that you've got the lowdown on the good, the bad, and the ugly of copy trading, the big question is it right for you? Well, that ultimately depends on your risk tolerance, your financial goals, and your overall investment strategy. If you're a complete crypto newbie and just want to dip your toes in the water, copy trading could be a great way to get your feet wet. But if you're a seasoned investor looking to really take control of your portfolio, it might not be the best fit. And let me just say, if you do decide to give copy trading a shot, make sure you do your due diligence. Research the platforms, bet the traders, and never, ever invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto can be a wild ride, and copy trading is no exception. Oh, and one more thing. If you do decide to sign up for a crypto exchange like BingX, and you really should because their copy trading platform is top-notch, make sure you use the referral code 911. Trust me, it'll be worth your while. Alright, that's it from me, folks. I hope this little deep dive into the world of crypto copy trading has been helpful. Remember, always do your own research, and never forget that the crypto market is about as volatile as a rodeo bull. But if you play your cards right, the rewards can be truly life-changing. Good luck out there, and may the crypto gods be ever in your favor.